What's up, guys? Internet Income Ninja here, back with another banging lead. Today is Monday, April 4th, and it is currently 5:17 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If this is your first time joining this channel, I subscribe you, smashing that notification bell, subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video with everyone you come across that is looking for an accountant position at Khan Academy. This is a US Canada based opportunity. It is not for anywhere else. And at this date and time, this was posted 2 days ago. Now this lead is still available at this date and time. So depending on when you're watching this video, it may be valid still, or if you click on the link and it doesn't work, that means it is no longer available and they have found who they've found. Okay, now it is a full-time role, but because of the fact that you can work anywhere in the US and Canada, it is international. International means you can work from several countries around the world. So US and Canada, two separate countries, international. Okay, now if you want to learn more about Khan Academy, press this link when you get to this page and it will open up their webpage. I strongly suggest you check in their webpage because generally there's a lot of information that you can digest, that you can take away from their website that you can use in the interview. Information that may not be readily available in something like this job lead. Okay, they're going to give you the hard code facts, but you can learn more about Khan Academy and any other entity that is hiring on this website by visiting the company's website. Okay, so you'll be specifically in accounting, but you'll be a payroll accountant and you will be working, and the company rather is based in Mountain View, California. Okay, again, US and Canada only. Now a bit about the company. Khan Academy is a non-profit organization on a mission to provide a free, world-class education to anyone, anywhere. So they provide it to anyone, anywhere. We already reach millions of students every month and are growing rapidly. Right now, we're hard at work helping learners address any unfinished learning that the COVID-19 pandemic may have caused. We also know that not all communities have been impacted equally by this pandemic, which makes our work focusing on providing equitable solutions to historically under-resourced communities even more important. So they understand that different people are from economic backgrounds and they are on a mission to make those of lesser economic status be able to achieve more. Now they're driven by the community. So what they've done is that they've allowed their students, teachers, and parents who come from all walks of life, and even those at Khan Academy come from all walks of life. They are fun, diverse, quirky people that come from a variety of backgrounds. Our team includes people from academia and from high-tech companies and tiny startups. We hire great people from diverse backgrounds and experiences, not just because it's the right thing to do, but because it makes our company stronger. Valuing diversity, equity, and inclusion is necessary for us to actualize our mission and truly impact the communities we serve. We believe that the best way to provide impactful education is to create a diverse team of people from different backgrounds, races, religions, genders, sexual orientations, ages, and experiences. We're a hardworking team that's passionate about helping learners and teachers around the globe. We strive to be world-class in investing in our people and commit to developing you as a professional. Now here's more about the role specifically. Okay, this is what we've been waiting for. Khan Academy is looking for an exceptional payroll accountant for our finance team. We are a small team with big aspirations to provide excellent service and quality financial information to our organization. The payroll accountant will be responsible for processing exempt and non-exempt multi-state as well as international payroll along with other key processes. You'll be responsible for the processing of exempt and non-exempt multi-state and Canadian payroll, including benefits and taxes, as applicable using ADP and Ceridian. You'll own our day-to-day expense reporting system using Expensify and Receipt of Funds, including accounts receivable. Process and prepare monthly journal entries related to payroll, benefits, and taxes. Conduct monthly, quarterly, and annual account reconciliations to ensure accurate financial reporting and general ledger maintenance. You'll be responsible for compliance with quarterly and annual reporting requirements as mandated by law in regards to payroll and expenses. You'll support annual financial statement audits, 401k audit, work comp audit, and other duties as requested by the Director of Finance and CFO. So what you need to bring? You need to bring 2+ years of relevant work experience. Certified payroll professional certification is a plus. Familiarity and aptitude in working with payroll, ADP and Ceridian, and accounting software such as Sage Intacct is a plus. Must have good communication skills and ability to interact with people in a positive manner. Must be detail-oriented, exhibit excellent organizational skills, and demonstrate follow-through in everything you do. Ability to maintain a high degree of confidentiality. Excellent problem solving and analytical abilities, along with a belief that you can learn anything. To be motivated by the Khan Academy mission to provide a free world-class education for anyone, anywhere. Now, perks and benefits. We may be a non-profit, but we reward our talented team extremely well. Competitive salaries and annual bonuses. Ample paid time off as needed. We are about getting things done, not FaceTime. Generous parental leave, a fun, high-caliber team that trusts you and gives you the freedom to be brilliant, the ability to put your talents towards a deeply meaningful mission, and the opportunity to work on high-impact products that are already defining the future of education. Affinity groups where parents, Black and Hispanic or Latino women and gender minorities, and LGBTQIA+ identified folks come together. And we offer all those other typical benefits as well. 401k plus 4% matching and comprehensive insurance, including medical, dental, vision, and life. Now, want to know more about the team? You can watch Sal's TED Talk from 2011. You can watch Sal's TED Talk from 2015. Or go to our team at this link. Alright, then to apply for the role, you press this blue button. When the application page pops up, it will ask you a few questions in various fields. So you'll see the empty spaces, and then what you'll do is just fill those in. Fill in those empty spaces. Then upload your information. They'll pretty much ask you for, especially since it's an accounting position, they'll ask you for your resume. They'll ask you for work experience, stuff you've done, possibly even a background check. And again, this is US and Canada. So after you've submitted your application, look out for official communication from Khan Academy. Okay? Now, guys, go ahead, check all the links in the description below. You will be pleasantly surprised by the information you find there. That information is ready to pretty much, it will help you be completely ready to make the most of what's online. There are so many positions offered on the internet today that it is almost insane, the number of opportunities that are available to you. So to have access to those things, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, share, and then check all the links in the description below. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.